couple of days ago, the magnetic clutch relay on my 2003 Camry here went out, and this is the the part number. It's 90987-02022, and so I need to replace it. So I went on eBay and I looked on Amazon to find a replacement, and if you type in this number, you come up with just a bazillion different options. And so I just did some research and found that in interesting here, that in 2005, June 3rd, 2005, Toyota issued a technical service bulletin, and it is EL011-05. And basically it says that if you have the number, part number 90987-02022, you need to replace it with 90987-02028. It's the magnetic clutch relay. And it's not just for my particular Camry. Basically, it's the 2001 to 2004 Camrys, and some other models right here. But anyways, so I went online to look for this part, and I looked on eBay and Amazon, and on eBay I found this exact relay here, genuine OEM, made in Japan, in a sealed container. And I think the place is called Enjoy Buy Save. I'll leave some information about them. It cost 18 bucks. It just took a couple of days to ship to me from California, and I'm going to put it in now and let's see if it works. Here's the relay box. Here's the new relay, and it goes right in there. So we'll put it in. Just like that. So let's start the car and see what happens. Let's turn this on and give it a test. Oh, there's the fan. Let's put the AC button. Oh, I just heard the magnetic clutch engage. The AC is working. And it's already blowing cold. So anyways, my point here in this whole video was that the old number for the original relay has been updated to a new number. I bought that on eBay for 18 bucks, the original OEM part, and I'm really pleased.